What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can watch Beast games in India. As we know, Mr. Beast has launched his new game show, which is called as Beast Games. Now, in order to watch it in India, as we know that it is available on Amazon Prime Video. Now, how you guys can get the Amazon Prime Video? So, Amazon Prime Video comes with Amazon Prime. So, you just have to go to your Amazon and you will see an option for getting the Amazon Prime. So, you just have to get the Amazon Prime. Once you have that, you will get access to Prime Video as well. Now, what is Prime Video? This is what the Prime Video looks like. It is a platform which allow you to watch movies, TV shows, and a lot of things. So once you have that Prime Video subscription, you can simply come to Prime Video, search for Beast Games, and you'll be able to watch it. However, if you can't find it, just go to Google, search for Beast Games, and click on this link, and it will take you directly to the Beast Games link. There you go. This is how it will look. Just watch as many episodes you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.